Hello and welcome friends. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a curve design which is a shirt behind it, and this design of illustrations is very helpful, are very matching for your t-shirt design or gaming style design. So here I have some brushes for this particular for this design. So here is the gaming style design and gaming mascot for the deadly games like Ghost. Okay, so here I'm taking a brush. So here I have some brush which is made by me. So here two or one should be better. So I'm just doing this from scratch, for the scratch, and so here this is this one for stroke. First make eye, and it's very easy to making eyes. After watching this video, you will definitely try at your own and give me response to my mail or leave in the comment box. If you need these illustrations for your personal use, please mail me, or please comment on the comment box if you need it. So please stay tuned and keep watching this video tutorial at the end, and you will definitely learn something special. So from here I'm specifying my process of illustration. So you can see this is the eye portion, and just scratching here and make a random stroke for realistic effect. So here this is the eye portion, and it's making a sword-like effect. So I'm just paste it here. So what it is now transform the eyes here. I'm just making a difference from this one, and just scratching here for more some realistic effect on here. You can definitely see this portion and profile portion, and here in this illustration I'm going to use just 2 or 3 colors, and definitely you can learn some special tips and tricks for how to use the brushes in the illustration to make a professional illustration for t-shirt, for your design client, which you invite to your client. So here as a yellow type of look, and here I'm just going to make changes of the background of the people. So here I'm just making a nose, and so here just modify this one. I'm just not just to modify this thing with the help of the direct selection tool. I'm always use the shape builder tool, direct selection tool, and it's very helpful for my design. So and eraser tool also. So here I'm deleting this portion, and this, see this, and this is not working here. So I'm just making a mess there. So and just another time we need to take some time. So need to make it to some realistic effect from scratch effect. So you can clearly see what's going here. So I'm just doing this